In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to reset PC. Now let's jump into the process. First you have to click on the start option. Now go to the settings. Here you have to go to the option update and security. Now here you can see different options. Go to the option recovery. Now here at the top you can see this option of reset this PC. Click on get started. Now here you can see two options, keep my files and remove everything. You can choose any of the option that is suitable for you. Here I will be choosing keep my files. Now here you have to choose how would you like to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local reinstall. You can choose any of the option that is suitable for you and then it will start resetting your PC. Like this is very easy and simple process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to reset your PC. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.